In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pan the canvas by holding Alt and dragging. This simple technique lets you move your view around a large document without changing the size of your artwork, photo, or layout. Think of it as sliding a sheet of paper under a fixed window. You're repositioning what you see, not altering the content. Start by placing one finger on the Alt key. You'll find it near the space bar, and either Alt key works. Keep it pressed the whole time you want to move around. A helpful tip is to rest your thumb there so it feels stable and you're not hunting for the key while you work. While you continue holding Alt, press and hold the left mouse button, then drag. If you're using a pen tablet, press the pen button that's set to act like a left click and drag your pen across the tablet surface. Keep the pressure steady so the drag is continuous. As you move your mouse or pen, watch how the canvas shifts in the exact direction you pull. Drag right to see more of what's to the right, drag up to explore the top, and so on. You're not zooming in or out, you're simply sliding your view across the canvas, which is ideal for inspecting details or navigating to another part of your work. To stop panning, first release the mouse or lift your pen while still holding Alt. This prevents any accidental flicks or changes in direction. Once the view has settled, let go of Alt. You'll be right where you want to be, ready to continue editing or drawing. If your canvas didn't move, make sure your cursor is over the actual canvas area and not hovering over a toolbar or panel, and confirm that the left mouse button or pen button is truly being held down during the drag. A few quick reminders as you practice: keep your movement smooth to avoid overshooting the area you want to reach. Small drags often give you the best control. If your app shows a hand icon while you drag, that's a visual confirmation you're panning correctly. And remember, this action is non-destructive. It doesn't change your artwork, just your vantage point. That's all there is to it. Hold Alt, click and drag to move the canvas, and release the mouse to stop panning. Master this flow and you'll navigate your projects faster and with far less strain.